Class 58 Derivation for output voltage in step up chopper, boost chopper. Let Vs be the supply voltage, VL be the inductor voltage, and V0 be the output voltage. During on time, when chopper is on, VL will be equal to Vs. During off time, when chopper is off, VL will be equal to V0 minus Vs, because these two will be in the same polarity. Vs, source voltage, plus inductor voltage will be equal to load voltage. So inductor voltage will be equal to load minus source voltage. That is written here. During on time, this is the equation, and during off time, this is the equation. Now assume that the variation of current is linear and the system is lossless. So during on time, what the energy is stored in the inductor means energy received from the source by the inductor should be delivered to the load during off time. So during on time, inductor will store energy like this, and during off time the energy should be delivered to the load. Both should be equal for a lossless operation. Now let us see what is the energy stored. So energy stored will be equal to average VL into average IL into on time. IL and VL means inductor voltage and inductor current. So average VL is equal to source voltage during on time. It is fixed. And average inductor voltage, inductor current will be equal to I1 plus I2 by 2. And on time is T on. Equation 1. Now during off time, energy is released by the inductor. Okay. Now average VL during off time will be equal to V0 minus Vs, and average IL is same, I1 plus I2 by 2, and here it is T off time because it is off time. So equation 1 shows the energy received by the inductor. Equation 2 shows energy delivered by the inductor, means energy output, means discharge of energy from the inductor. Both should be same. Now when both are equated, and after simplification, we will get V0 into T off is equal to Vs into T. So V0 is given by Vs into T by T off. You see, T by T off. Source voltage into T by T off. We know that T off is always lesser than T, because T is nothing but T on plus T off. So output voltage will be always more than the input voltage. And the equation, when we express with the duty cycle, we can write like this: V input into 1 by 1 minus duty cycle. So output voltage will be always higher than input voltage.